Hello everybody, I want to welcome you to the Repairman YouTube channel. This is an update for the 2003 Oldsmobile Alero. I don't have much to show you, but I want to help those who have an Alero and can't figure out the problem. But to start with, if you get a check engine light, ABS light, and your traction light on when you turn your steering wheel, the computer's going to tell you that it's a bearing. It's a wheel hub bearing, which is here. Don't go change your hub bearing right away, because I had the problem and it was my lower control arm and the ball joint on my lower control arm. So if your control arms are bad and your tie rods are bad, you're going to get a service engine light soon, the ABS light, and the traction light. Okay, and it goes off when you turn the car key off and back on. You lose the light, everything is normal. When you turn your wheel, the light comes back. So remember, do not go and change those expensive wheel bearings just out of general purpose. When they go, you'll hear a noise. That noise will be a grounding or a squealing noise letting you know your bearing is no good. If you do not hear the noise or you don't feel it, then don't change the bearing. Okay, but this is your 2003 Alero, and it's an update from the repairman. I told you about the 10 amp fuse that controls the computer that won't let your car start when it's cold. All right, but I'm the repairman. If you got any questions, I have the manual for the 2003 Oldsmobile Alero. Look at my YouTube page and we will get back to you with an answer. Have a good day. I hope this helps.